Okay.
So, in December 10th, 1946, the worst aviation disaster in U.S. history at the time. 32 Marines crashed into that head wall that you just saw up there. Got caught in a blizzard, and in fact, the rescue attempt was kind of futile because there's a blizzard for about 5 days, and nobody could get up there. And by the time they looked, they couldn't find anyone. So it took to the next summer. The park ranger was hiking up high on the mountain and saw some debris. And they found the wreckage site, but they determined after several trips up there that it's just too dangerous to remove the bodies. So the 32 Marines are entombed forever in the South Tahoma Glacier, high up, about 10,000 feet up on the mountain. Okay, 4 miles in, up the West Side Road, the supposedly washed out West Side Road, which you know has been fixed. It's apparently pretty flat up to Lake George, and then uphill to Gobblers Knob. We'll see. Let's go. Okay, 5 miles in, we're up to Lake George. Pretty and quiet. Pretty decent sized lake goes on over there. I think Gobbler's Knob is up there, but you can't see it from this viewpoint. Okay, it says we're 1.6 miles to the lookout. I think we gotta go up another 1,200 feet. That is a pretty steep pitch. This is when you've hiked about another half mile and think, maybe we're getting close. And then you're like, oh, whoa. There is the lookout on Gobbler's Knob. It's still a ways up there. 1 mile to go. Okay, the final kick. We are on the far western side of the park. Boundary's only 0.6 miles. The lookout, less than a half a mile. Woo! Still uphill. Okay, we're about 100 feet from reaching the top of Gobbler's Knob. Look out. Woo! So this is the perfect recipe if you spent the last couple of days at Paradise, where you're around all the crying babies, the mass hordes, the grandmas and rascals about to run you over, the popcorns, the Cracker Jacks, the cotton candy. Nah, this is out there. This is 7 miles up and up 2,700 feet to Gobbler's Knob. And the only thing you're gonna get up here are serious hikers and me. If you look close, that head wall is apparently where the Marines plane hit in 1946. And that is the South Tahoma Glacier there that debris ended up resting on, and they were never able to recover it, so that's where it is. Otherwise, great views of the western part of the park. Mount St. Helens. Keep walking around the fire tower. Off in the to the west, the Seattle Metro. People up here today.